So guys, here's our ingredients for our peppered steak. We have beef here, like 1 kilo, fresh ground black pepper, salt, olive oil, cornstarch, soy sauce, onion, bell pepper. This one is onion for marinade, garlic, ginger, honey. Yeah, and that's it. So I will marinate now our beef. I will put the freshly ground black pepper, the salt, the oil. Yeah, and also we have honey, soy sauce, and honey. Yeah, and we will add some ginger with that. Half only of the ginger, guys. Like half, like that. 1 tablespoon of ginger, and half is we will do for the vegetable later. And some, like 1 teaspoon of garlic. Yeah, we will add more. Yes. And this onion, like 3/4 cup of onion or less, we will marinate with that. So this one, guys, we will marinate for around 20 minutes. Yeah. So our water here is only 1/2 cup for the slurry. I'll just mix this cornstarch is 2 tablespoons and 1/2 cup of water, or we will see how much we need. And this onion here, we need to separate like a chunks, like this one. Yeah. My bell pepper here, I have orange, yellow, and red. It's really nice also if we have spring onion, but I don't have. And what's that? Green bell pepper. Yeah, I use fresh ginger, fresh garlic. Yeah, but if you don't have fresh, you can use powder. Why not? You just try. So, but this one for my recipe today. So now, guys, we only fried our beef. Like we put all of like that. And you will put that one into high heat. Smells really good here, guys. It's nice to cook in a wok, but I don't have a wok here. I only have this pot, non-stick pot. It's the rock, so it's really good. Less oil, I put less oil only, but as you can see, the oil are going to spread. We cook that one all until so it's like that, guys. We will just remove the beef and we will reduce the juice. Okay, so and I cook this one into high heat. I think that one is already fine, so I will put that one into the meat, guys. So this is what happened, guys. I just poured the sauce here that I reduced into the meat, so it looks like that. I mixed, and now what's next? We will saute the vegetable, the pepper and onion. So our beef only like that is already yummy. But what we want here, we will add some vegetable. So so yummy already, this one, guys. It's really yummy, guys. What's here? I didn't wash the pot. I just put some little bit oil and high heat also. Now I will put the garlic. We're putting the garlic. After that, guys, we're putting our ginger. And then we don't burn the ginger. We'll just drain the water of the onion. So now we're putting the onion, guys. Yes, the onion looks beautiful. And then in here I have I will put the 2 tablespoons for the slurry cornstarch. Then I will add water, the 1/2 cup water, and then we will mix that one, guys. We will mix that one. And then we will put our bell pepper here. I have here like 1/8 cup of soy sauce. I will add to the slurry. We like to eat I think that is okay. Crispy onion, white onion, and the bell pepper. Now we will add the beef. So it's really looking beautiful, guys. Our recipe is really looking beautiful. And then now we will add our slurry. Then we mix. Oh, really yummy. Wow. And then, guys, I'd like to have a smell of the sesame oil. So I will add some sesame oil. And I will off the heat. So guys, I did not finish. Our pepper steak is already cooked, but I did not put all the meat, because I will do another recipe for this one for tomorrow. Yes. So here our pepper steak is done. My cat is hungry also. I will just transfer here to a big plate. So you can see that sauce. My God. So really yummy, guys. So ayan, guys, at tayo'y kakain na. Kakain lang tayo. Ayan. Diba? Ang sarap. Masarap na masarap.